A man named David had worked for 15 years to build his small but beautiful home. Every brick, every corner of that house carried his sweat and his dreams. His neighbor, Mark, had always watched with envy. He smiled to David's face, but poisoned his name behind closed doors. He spread lies to the community, telling everyone that David had stolen money to build that house. People believed Mark. David lost friends, he lost respect, he even lost his job because of those whispers, but David never fought back. He just kept working in silence. One winter, David's house caught fire. The whole neighborhood stood and watched, but no one moved to help, except one old man who ran with a bucket of water again and again until the fire was small enough to control. That old man was Mark's own father. When Mark saw his father helping David, something broke inside him. Mm, He remembered every lie he had told, every door he had closed on this man. Within a month, the truth about Mark came out. He had been stealing from the community fund for years. He was removed from every position he held. His own friends turned their backs on him exactly the way he had taught them to treat David. David rebuilt his house, and this time the whole neighborhood